Many people enjoyed their Memorial Day weekend, but one camper's trip took a turn for the worst. Their horse went missing. Pima County resident Deanna McLaren was camping on Empire Ranch when she tied up her horse, Scarlet, while sleeping and then woke up to her gone Sunday morning. The owner does not know if the horse escaped herself or if she was stolen. McLaren and friends have been searching via horseback and drones for days, but have made no progress. If you have any information, you are asked to contact the local authorities, and let's help get Scarlet back home.
Oh.